Hi, my name is Jeffrey Scott, and have you ever wondered how the big companies are able to grow and grow and grow and become juggernauts in this current labor market? Well, I've cracked the secret. They've learned how to become a destination company, and you can too. I've partnered with NALP, and we're putting on workshops in Baltimore and Nashville this August. You will learn how to attract, retain, develop, motivate, and engage your employees so they go from maybe your biggest headache to really your competitive advantage in the marketplace. We're going to have a blast. You're going to learn all 7 pillars from the book, plus new content on open book management and other things I've created to help you implement this concept in your business. We have guest speakers, CEOs of landscape companies that are successfully implementing this in their business. You'll hear them speak. We have a VIP dinner. If you sign up quick enough and let me know, you can join us for a private evening discussion. I really hope to see you there because this will change how you think about your business, how you think about people in your business. It'll change your strategies for growing your business. If you want your company to really become that destination company and be in your job and your role in the business to be more than just a job, but really create that business of your dreams, then please join us. I invite you, I implore you to join us either in Nashville or Baltimore this August. Thank you.